Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today we are going to be covering exploratory data analysis for our artificial intelligence project. My name is Ahumza Derek. I'm a student of Makerere University. Based on the project that we've been carrying out, our AI project that's dealing with child healthcare, we are going to go through these given topics and concepts that we have used and implemented within our project. First of all, we're going to discuss heat maps, correlation matrices, box plots, feature independence plots, and outlier plots. So what are correlation matrices? A correlation matrix is simply a table which displays the correlation coefficients for different variables. The correlation matrix helps establish the interdependency between two or more variables. It is depicted in tabular form. Hence, the datasets are easy to read, understand, and identify patterns for predicting future instances. A major topic we're going to discuss within this project are going to be the heat maps. A heat map is basically a graphical representation of data where values are depicted by color. And there are basically two types of heat maps that are common, the spatial heat map and the grid heat map. We have an example of a spatial heat map showing the temperature of the different zones on our planet. To our left, then to the right, we have a grid heat map. An example of grid heat map, and that's the type that we chose to use for our AI projects, like the dataset. The project that we're using has a grid heat map, as I already said, and it's a heat map that displays the magnitude as a color into the 2D matrix, which basically shows color representing like the magnitude of some measurement combined traits from each of the two categories. And then we have the outlier plots, which are extreme. And we know from our basic understanding that outliers are like the extremes of anything, like one that's not similar. Like you have a value within your data that is either far above or far below. So it is like the points exceed within like the normal range of your data. And then we have four ways of identifying outliers. For example, we have the sorting method, data visualization method, the statistical tests, also known as the Z-scores. Then we have the interquartile range method. For the case of the project, we are going to use the data visualization methods, like the box plots and the scatter plots. For the box plots, it is a method that is method of graphical demonstrating the locality, spread, skewness groups of numerical data through their quartiles. And basically, the minimum is the lowest data point of a data set excluding any outliers, the maximum being the highest data point of a data set excluding any outliers, and the median basically being the middle value of the data set. The first quartile, also known as the lower quartile, which is the median of the lower half of the data set, and the third quartile, also known as the upper quartile, being the median of the upper half of the data set. And that is it for today. Tune in again for more from our YouTube channel.